Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuillBot login problems, account and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official QuillBot website or the official QuillBot app to avoid fake login pages. Check your internet connection by opening a few other websites to make sure QuillBot is not temporarily down by checking QuillBot's status page or recent updates on their official channels. Verify that you are entering the correct email address and that there are no typing mistakes. Re-enter your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and request a reset link to your email. Open the password reset email and check the spam or promotions folder if you do not see it. Create a new password that is strong and unique, then try signing in again. If you use Google or another social login, click the same Continue with Google option you used when you first registered. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account in your browser before you try social login. If the login page keeps refreshing, clear your browser cache and cookies for QuillBot.com. Close the browser completely and reopen it, then try logging in again. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extension and cookie conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools that may block login scripts. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with the login system. If you are on mobile, update the QuillBot app and also update your phone's operating system if an update is available. Switch to a different browser, such as if you see an account not found message, confirm you are using the same email you used at sign-up. If you recently changed your email, try logging in with the old email and then update it in account settings. If you get a too many attempts error, wait 10 to 30 minutes and then try again to avoid temporary lockouts. If you receive a verification email prompt, open your inbox and complete the email verification link. If two-factor authentication is enabled, check the Authenticator app timesync and enter the current code. If your payment shows active but premium features are locked, log out, log in again, and refresh your account page. Check that you are not logged into a second QuillBot account that does not have the subscription. If you are on a work or school network, try another network because firewalls can block authentication. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily, because it can trigger security blocks or location-based checks. If the issue continues, take a screenshot of the exact error message and note the time it happens. Contact QuillBot support with your account email and the error details so they can restore access safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.